Hi, my name is Marilyn. I came from St. Paul, Minnesota to Cancun Dental Specialists to have a broken bridge removed, replaced with what you call the crowns and implants. I've been extremely happy with the service I've had here. Transportation has been provided. I have had no trouble communicating with anyone. I have been here in April and came by myself. I'm 67 years old and I have had no problems with fear or worried about my own safety. Everything has been absolutely perfect. I've met the nicest people from all over the world, and I can't say enough good things about the professionalism, the strive for perfection. I have just been very, very pleased. So if you have any qualms about come to Cancun Dental Specialists. You won't be sorry. I came here out of the blue. I just was searching on the internet, found the place that I thought had the best recommendations and had the most people saying, yes, I was satisfied. I wouldn't consider any kind of oral surgery, anything like that, without making sure